JAWS comes with a handy utility that you can use to quickly get information about things you might want to look up. This is called Research It and does require a couple of steps to get it set up. Let's start by pressing JAWS key space. You'll hear 2 clicks and then tap the letter R for Research It.
Space. JAWS Research It installation dialog. JAWS Research It requires feature installation. Press yes to install or no to cancel. Yes button to activate. Press spacebar. Alt plus Y.
And in this case, we do want to activate it, so I will tap my spacebar.
Space.
I'm presented with a user access control
JAWS user account
dialog.
control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes button. Alt followed by Y. JAWS Research It installation dialog. Installation succeeded. Research It is ready for use. OK button to activate. Press spacebar.
And then after tapping Alt Y, I was given that message. So we'll hit enter.
Enter. Left bracket unsaved project. Right bracket left.
Now, when I type JAWS key space,
Space.
and then R,
Research It dialog. Word or phrase edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt plus W.
I'm presented with a edit field. I can type in some words or phrases, and then I can tab.
List view. Wiktionary left parent primary right parent 1 of 11. To move to items, use the arrow keys.
To pick 1 of 11 of the Research It options, including
Area code lookup, BBC top news stories, Bookshare book search, CNN headline news stories, convert currency, flight info lookup, Fox news stories, technology news from CNET, time search, Wikipedia 11 of 11.
If you leave the edit field blank and you choose something like
Technology news from CNET 9 of 11.
You can press enter to get a virtualized window.
Enter. Technology news from CNET-Research It. Results dialog. Technology news from CNET document. Page has 25 links. There are 2 smart glance highlights on this page. Technology.
And I tapped my control key when the computer started to repeat itself again. But I got the information I needed, including the fact that there are 25 links on this page. Now, in my current iteration of JAWS, and I'm having some wonky things going on, I'm not able to use my links list view. You should be able to. However, if that doesn't work, simply tab and you'll hear things like
Best mattress deals : extended discounts still available on Purple, Casper, Satva and more link. Best TV sales : soup. Best electric lawn mower deals : key. Best dash cam deals : save. Apple Watch SE left parent 20. Balatro, the time training poker ish game is coming to smartphones soon. Best USB-C monitor. Ravens vs Chiefs : how to watch tonight's NFL kickoff game link.
Pressing enter on any of these links will open your default web browser where you can read more on the news article itself. Unfortunately, there was a lot of best ofs right now because this was recorded just after Labor Day. However, it is a good way to research things quickly and efficiently.